Always with a piece of coastal architecture, you design them for both the onshore and offshore winds. It's always got to have a lee side out of the wind. So the plan of the house is radially symmetrical. It's like if you built a giant pin and put it through the middle, you can spin the house round like a top. The plan is symmetrical with 2 master bedrooms, 1 at each end, and work from home offices in between. And then the living sits in the center. It's like a hangar, a lightweight aviation hangar that looks out in a romantic way at the sea horizon. It changes from the walls glowing in the morning light to the dusk where the sun comes into the back of the hangar. It's not a holiday home per se, it's a work from home place for use sporadically throughout the year. It's not for entertaining, it's more of a place to retreat into the landscape. It has this romantic feel of looking at the horizon and inviting you to go out and explore the landscape. It's not a big home. It's 260 square meters in floor area, and it's totally maintenance free. The exterior is clad in these prefabricated zinc panels, and zinc is an inert material that never needs painting. Its patina, which is that soft grey, just gets better and softer over time. And I think it's great to use materials that are sustainable, are long-lived, and actually age well. The home's most striking feature is its full glass wall. It's made up of 5 metre by 3 metre glass panels, which are motorised. This wall can be completely slid away. The design of this house anticipates a new age, if you like, where things like advancing electric air travel makes these locations much more accessible for almost everyday use, where people have the freedom to have recreation and work mixed. The very minimal detailing of the house means there's no visual noise or clutter. It's just you, the house, and the landscape.